Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add money to your Revolut from your bank account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. Now to do that, it's a very easy process. Make sure to follow along, and here we go. So to add money to your Revolut from a bank account, you can simply initiate a bank transfer from a bank to your Revolut. Now to do that, you have to simply open up your bank from which you would like to initiate the transfer. You can have the information of your Revolut account, and you're going to open up your bank. You're going to add in the Revolut account details, and then you're going to simply confirm, add in the amount, and you're going to confirm the transfer. That's how you should be able to do it. Afterwards, Revolut will notify you in your app when the transfer is successful. You can use the fund. You can simply check out the funds in your home screen immediately. But if that doesn't work, if that's too much work, you can also simply add the money from your card as well, which is of your banks itself. So all you gotta do is go to your home of your Revolut app, tap in add money, and select unsaved card, or you can tap on debit card and add another bank card of yours which you'd like to transfer the money from. Then you have to add in the amount and you have to confirm. You might have to verify for the payment process, but once you have done that, you will tap on add money and the money will be transferred to your balance, to your Revolut, and you can check out the balance as well. That is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.